In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear completed tasks in Todoist. If you've been using Todoist for a while, you probably have a growing list of tasks you've already finished. By default, Todoist keeps those completed tasks so you can review your progress and look back at what you've done. That can be helpful, but over time it can also feel a bit cluttered, especially if you just want a clean, streamlined workspace. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to permanently delete completed tasks from your Todoist account, using the tools built right into the app. We'll be focusing on the reporting section, which is where Todoist keeps a history of what you've accomplished. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Reporting. This is usually located in the main navigation or sidebar. Go ahead and click on Reporting. This area gives you an overview of your productivity, including lists of tasks you've already completed. Inside the reporting section, you'll see various views and filters. Find the list or view that shows your completed tasks. Then, click on the specific completed task you want to remove. When you select a task, Todoist will usually open a small detail panel or highlight that task so you can interact with it more directly. With the completed task selected, look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. This icon is typically found near the task itself, either on the right side of the task line or within the Task Details panel. Click on those three dots to open a small menu of options related to that task. In that menu, you'll see several choices, but the one you're looking for is Delete. Click on Delete to permanently remove that completed task from your account. Todoist may ask you to confirm this action, because once a task is deleted, you can't easily bring it back. Repeat this process for any other completed tasks you want to clear out. Go to Reporting, choose a completed task, open the three-dot menu and click Delete. Over time, this will help keep your reports and your overall workspace clean and focused only on what truly matters.